Okay, I'm literally hanging up my phone from a piece of string off the light right now. That was my solution. So the first thing you're gonna do, in the field strip up your SKS. Ooh, she needs a clean. You wanna look down in that chamber. Nothing in there. She's empty. Pull this guy out here. Slide this off. Watch out, this spring can pop off. We got lucky. Didn't pop up off on us that time. Pull your bolt out. Firing pin. In here, you want to clean this out real well inside of there. You want to get all your little nooks and crannies. You want to get a brush, go down that barrel, knock all that excess gunpowder out of that barrel. Clean all this inside out of here. See if you can get a little brush, go down into here. This guy, you'll want to really clean inside of here as much as you can, everywhere. This is probably the dirtiest piece out of all of them. It gets dirty really easy, this firing pin right here. Clean out all on your bolt or your slide. You want to oil everywhere. It looks like metal has been sliding on other metal. You know, anywhere you see it shaved off a bit, that means it's rubbing, and that's the part that needs to be lubricated after you've cleaned it. You can clean out your spring, kind of get a brush, go inside in between there, get all those cleaned out. Clean this out. There's a lot of excess gunpowder sit down in here somehow. I don't know how it gets all the way back into here, but it does. Dust, dirt, other things like that. And the first step in putting it back together, boom. So there's two hooks. See, there's a hook here, there's a hook here. Those are gonna go onto each other, hang. And I like to hold it up like this so it doesn't fall out on you. So grab your rifle, position it downwards, like that, fall out on you. Okay. Position it downwards, slide in there. Next, your spring. And go up into that top piece there, the squiggly side first. The rest of this you'll just push down up under here. It'll sit just like that. Make sure this is out when you try to put this in. And this is the key here that pulls this piece off. All that. Good to go.